Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. It's a GTA Tribute. It's finished in red, black interior. Nicely restored. About 10,000 miles on it. Tons and tons of new parts on this car. Can't imagine what it costs to restore it. 289 under the hood. C4 automatic transmission. Engine drives great. Quad tips sticking out back. GT gas cap, it's also new. All new taillights, lenses, bezels. Stripes, weather stripping. Really nice 3-spoke Mustang wood wheel. Indicators in the hood. That's all new. New door handles. Rear bumper looks all brand new. All the trim back here looks all brand new. New door panels. New sills. New bucket seats. Carpet. It's like new package tray. Headliner. Mustang floor mats, those are brand new. Showing 66,804 miles. That one's real nice, this car. Starts right up. Dash pad. It's got an AM/FM Casette Stereo in it. $289 under the hood. It's also rebuilt. It's got an Edelbrock high-rise manifold. Chrome valve covers. Power steering. That's a big champion aluminum radiator. Inner Fenders look new. Big tag still in it. New master cylinder. Aluminum. Titanium power steering pump. Your alternator. Pass, wires, plugs. A lot of work to put in this car. New strut tower brace. New battery. See, the indicators are all new too. Brand new wiring. Windows roll down real nice. Undercarriage is super nice too. Brand new gas tank, exhaust, bushings, shocks. Floors are in great shape. Brand new fuel lines. Sweet car. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Probably took about 200 photos today. You can check them out on our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.